just arrived at the airport in Moline, Illinois. That is the closest airport to me. And it's a lot smaller than, you know, like O'Hare or even Midway. It's smaller in Midway. So there's direct flights from Moline to Las Vegas here, and parking is so much cheaper. It's like $7 a day rather than $13, $14 a day at O'Hare. Plus, literally it's a 15-minute drive for me to Moline International Airport. So that's a huge plus in my book. But now I'm gonna eat my McDonald's and then head into the airport. It's always best to eat before you go into an airport. That way you're not tempted to spend $15 on a meal that should only cost $5. Just my opinion. This is why I was born with a big mouth. That's goddamn right. Bye, car. I hope I do.
Then you call me back and say, stop.
Oh, put my bag down, take my mask off. Look at it. Wow. Oh, isn't that cute? Okay, let's see here. Safety safe. Oh, yeah. Look at that bathtub. Look. Look at the bathtub. All right. Yeah. Yeah. So did you check out the bathtub? Yes. I am all about it. All right, I need to, how do I open these curtains? Do I just like move them? Oh yeah, they just plain move. Okay. This is my view, which honestly, when it gets a little warmer out, because it's really not all that hot right now, but I'm really liking it. God, this is nice. I like it. I like it a lot. And this tub, yeah, that is definitely going to get some use. Anyway, I need to pee. I need to freshen up and go to my chocolate bar. And did I tell you, I mean, I didn't shoot a lot of video while I was in that Tesla. My ride from the airport to here, my driver, his name was Mr. Chow. Wait, you should say, wait a minute, I gotta show you his business card. Wait a minute, where's his business card? Anyway, of course, you know, he owned the Tesla, and he was a lot of fun. He was very nice. He got me here quite quickly, and it was very entertaining to say the least. His car was magnificent. It was very clean. God, I can't find this card right now. But anyway, I know I have it in here. Oh, is this it? Yeah. Anyway, call him Mr. Chow, like from The Hangover. I was like, okay. That was my driver. And I mean, it was really nice. I really liked it. Captain. Anyway, I'll put the name of it up here. A really great service, not too badly priced. So, but anyway, like I said, I need to get my crap together. I've been on the run all day, so I'm gonna get my stuff together, and then I'm going to head out to my chocolate bar. Yes. So before I get a little too on my way, I was just getting my stuff organized, and want to talk a little bit about the check-in process here. Of course, we're in a new era right now. Everything is less human contact, the better. So basically, I used the self check-in kiosk, and it was pretty easy. Just had to insert my ID. I scanned a QR code that was with my reservation. Had to stick my driver's license in, and then also got this paper printed out, and my keys came out of this kiosk. So let me show you that. So this is what printed out of the kiosk. So I'll tell you what floor and what elevators, my room number, and then it printed my keys out. So overall, not bad. On my way to the chocolate bar. Yes. Come on. Yes. Come on. Oh, come on. Ah. Well, what a day. So after, getting to my hotel about 3:30, I kind of ran around the southern end of the strip here in Las Vegas. Went to my chocolate bar. I swung it by Walgreens on the way back to get water and grabbed some Panda Express for dinner. And I ate that here in my room, and then went downstairs to the Cosmopolitan, gambled away some money, not too bad, and then came back over here at Planet Hollywood to just lay down and relax a little bit. And I don't know, what time is it? It is currently 7:30 here in Las Vegas. It's getting dark, and my view is the view of the Bellagio lit up at night. Let me show you this view. This is what I'm looking at right now, and you can see the Bellagio. It's just starting to get dark. Some clouds over there in the horizon, and then the Bellagio lit up. Just kind of relaxing. Got some TV going. But yeah, I think my body says it's 9:30 and not 7:30. So I don't know. I think I am just gonna wrap it up for today. And I see the Bellagio fountains going off. Sorry, distracted. But I think I'm just going to wrap it up for tonight and get some sleep and take Las Vegas on tomorrow. I really want to just walk up and down the strip and do my normal roaming around and just get absolutely lost on the strip and just have a good time for tomorrow. So I'm going to wrap this up. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get enough for monetization. That's my goal. And then please like the video so the algorithm lets them know that, hey, you want to see my content. This is the first day of Las Vegas. This is a Sunday, and I will be here until Thursday. So I'm going to post a video every single day. As soon as I'm done, I'm going to put everything together and then upload it. It's not going to be fancy, as you can tell, but I'm going to get them all uploaded at the end of the day. So subscribe, like, and make sure that you hit the little bell notification on your screen too. That way you can get notified when I upload content. Thank you for watching.